You get ideas and tasks, but time is always the problem. Even small things can steal their whole afternoon. You're a founder. Try to turn messy thoughts into pitch decks, investor briefs, and launch plans. You're a product owner, juggling feature descriptions, user stories, stakeholder feedback, and priorities that keep shifting. You're a freelancer, rewriting unclear client requests, making sense of raw notes, and turning them into deliverables. Giglings are AI specialist bot agents, each crafted to handle a specific task. They write, validate, reframe, structure, and simplify so you can focus on what really matters. Pick what you need, upload your input, let it work. Pick a Gigling, get it done. Hi, I'm Mina. I'm a 24-year-old founder, designer, and a problem solver. Like many other creators, I've struggled with burnout, productivity, and trying to do too much on my own. I wanted to build tools that don't just help people work faster, but better, with more clarity, more focus, and even joy. Giglings is one of those tools. It actually started as a personal creative idea. Whenever I build technical systems, I imagine the algorithms, logic, and interactions not as cold code, but as tiny creatures working together inside the machine. That's what Giglings are. Tiny AI specialists, each one solving one task with precision. Now let us walk you through how Giglings actually works behind the scenes. The user logs in. The system checks their subscription and opens the dashboard. They search the catalog, pick a Gigling, and start a new gig. Then they fill in the gig details and upload or enter inputs. The system validates the content for compatibility and format. It calculates the estimated credit usage and shows it to the user. The user confirms credits are reserved and the gig enters the queue. When processed, the AI agent generates the output and saves the results. The user gets notified, views the results, and exports what they need. I believe productivity tools can be smart and delightful, and I'm building Giglings to prove it. Most general purpose AI tools try to do everything at once. You type in a request and hope it understands. Giglings works differently. Each Gigling is an AI specialist focused on a single, well-defined task. Not a chatbot, not a general assistant. A purpose-built bot that just gets the job done clearly and reliably. Why should support us? Because it's not just a product, it's a mission. We are launching something fresh, focused, and human-centered. Giglings is built with scale, modularity, and extensibility at its core. Key platform components include multi-tenant architecture with secure, isolated workspaces, credit-based usage system with flexible subscription tiers, team collaboration layer with role-based permissions, admin, member, viewer, version-controlled AI bot catalog with each bot uniquely trained for one task, asynchronous iTask queuing for efficient distributed execution, secure data pipeline with audit-friendly logging of inputs and outputs, API-ready architecture designed for future integrations, Slack, Notion, MS Teams, etc. Giglings will run on a modular Azure-based architecture. Users will access the platform through a Blazor WebAssembly interface. Authentication and roles will be managed with Azure ADB2C. Submitted gigs will flow through an API gateway into a task queue. Durable functions will route each task to a specialized AI agent, a Gigling powered by Azure OpenAI. Results will be stored securely, metadata will be updated, and all activity will be logged and monitored. Fast, secure, and ready to scale. At Giglings, we believe AI should feel like collaboration, not complexity. We're crafting a new layer of productivity, modular, focused, and human-friendly. With Microsoft's support, we're not just launching a product, we're launching a new way to work. Let's make it faster, smarter, and more joyful together.